Hello and welcome. Today, I'll guide you through how to send an email from SendGrid. Whether it's a marketing campaign or a transactional email, this tutorial will get you started. First, log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to Marketing. Click on Single Sends. Click Create a new campaign to get started. You can either use a pre-built template or design your email from scratch using the drag and drop editor. Next, upload your email list or select an existing list of recipients. Make sure your list is properly segmented so that your email reaches the right audience. Once your email is designed and your recipients are selected, you can choose to either send immediately or schedule the email for a later time. Be sure to preview your email and test it by sending a test email to yourself first. Finally, hit Send. Your email will be delivered to your audience, and you can track its performance in the Analytics section. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more SendGrid tips. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.